Now let's talk about the overflow in 2's complement. To begin with, we already know that 2's complement can allow us to add two binary up directly. For instance, on the left, we have two binary numbers, 0011 and 1011. For the first one, in decimal form, it represents 3, and below 1, it represents -5. If we add two numbers up, what we expect here is to get an answer -2 in decimal form. Let's try to add the bits up directly. 1 plus 1, 0, and 1 to go. 3, 1, 1 down, the other 1 to go, and 1 down again. 0 plus 1 again is 1. And if we add these bits up, we will get -2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of 1, and the result will be -2. And this matches, so we got the correct answer. So as a general rule, if we plus two numbers, one is positive, the other is negative, or one is negative, the other is positive, when we add them up, we don't have to worry about overflow because this is not gonna happen, since the two numbers will cancel out each other's value. Now let's move on to cases where overflow are possible. If we are adding two numbers, each of them are positive, but with a small absolute value. If we add these two up, it's okay, we will not have overflow. However, if these two numbers positive but with a very big absolute number, and the other also has a big absolute number, if we add these two up, we will have overflow in this situation. Let's raise the example to illustrate. For instance, if we have two numbers, 0100 and 0100, their decimal form will be +4. If we add these two up, we expect to get a 8. However, this is not what happens in the end. Let's try to add these two binary up. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 1 to go, and 1 go down. And because in 2's complement form, the first one is a negative number, so we will get a -8. So you can see here, we expect to get +8, but we end up with a -8. So this is not the result we expect to get, and this is caused by overflow. Now let's move on to another case. If our two numbers are negative, but with a small absolute value, it is okay, we will not have overflow. However, again, if these two numbers both have very big absolute number, when we add these two up, we will get an overflow. Let's use the example to explain. We have two binary numbers here, 1000 and 1000. In decimal form, they both represent -8. And when we add these two up, we expect to get a -16. However, this is not what we got in the end. Let's add these two binary up, 0 plus 0, and 1 plus 1, 1 to go here, and 1 down. And because here we are only allowed to store 4 bits data, anything go more than 4 bits will be ignored. As a result, this is the number we got, 0. You see, we expect to see -16 here. However, what we got is 0. So again, this is not the result we want to get, and this is caused by overflow. So let's sum up. In conclusion, in the future, if you are adding two numbers in 2's complement, and they both have the same signs, you should be very careful about overflow, because if that happens, you will get a result you are not expecting to get. So this will be the end of this video.